3, 2, 1, action. Right, ladies and gents, welcome to I Am Full. So we are at the Harran today. So right behind of me, you can see the first university that ever built in the world. So it is called Harran University. Followingly, it turns into the mosque, and formerly people were choosing to be trained at the mosque. Yeah, you know, so you can see its history right here. Let me read it for you. So it consists of harem and courtyard. There is a square minaret near the northeast corner. It belongs to the group of mosques with the pitch parallel to Zartut. And followingly, you can see the architecture of the design that is built is in the middle east of the world and the southeast of the Turkey, which is placed in the Şanlıurfa. You can see the design and architecture that is shown to us, and it comes to this day. If you have seen this, and let's break up this, and let me tell you, have you subscribed yet? No? So please like, subscribe, and comment down below. So give a like, take care of you, and let me go to the minarets of the Harran. So let me show to you. All right, welcome again. So right behind me, those are called homes that's created 260 years ago, and people were living right here with their family, not individual, but with their parents. They were living. There are 22 rooms are available right here, and each of them connected to itself. So you going right here and then coming back, and there are lots of spaces that you can use. Yeah, again, the design and architecture that I mentioned right here is a little bit complicated. Those are made up with the land. People were serving themselves. It comes to this state. On summer times, the temperature increases till 65 centigrade, and those homes are acting like isolation, and there is no air conditioner right here, and people can also still live here. They have also traditional kind of wearings that Mr. Ibrahim could have asked. So let us to try this one and then go back to find a place where we can feed our stomach. So first we're gonna need to wear our clothes and then go for a dinner or food, etc. Let's go. Alright, so we have traditional kind of clothes, so I'm going to try this, and the man is going to prepare me for the origin right here. Alright, so the man helped me to wear these clothes. It is the traditional one. So you see on the top of my like a hat. So when it's started, it's a little bit tilted in case, so it means that I want to marry, and the people are living in these places are a little bit shy, but they don't want to tell their father or mother I want to marry, right? So this is the way that they explain. So if the head is a little bit tilted, that means I want to marry mother or father. Yeah. Alright, welcome again. So we have yeah, it is again meatballs, but it's fried one. They're doing this with their hand and giving this shape and adding the meat inside. If you don't like, I don't recommend, but if you like meat, I highly recommend you to eat this one. So let me take this, but to eat this, again we have some kind of kneaded lemon, and let me put divide into 2 pieces. Yes, and let me take this. Wait, lemon. Yeah. Again, 1, 2, and 3. Yes. It's too good, yeah. Come here. You come here.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. We have also ordered some, without some. And yeah, as a beverage we have ayran, as you can see. It is made up with yogurt and added water and mix of them. Let me, yeah. I should continue to eat this, but waiting for other stuff. Again, we have salad, which is made up of onion. Let me taste this.
Yeah, taste this.
Also, you try. Do you like or not? He probably
Very good.
He said very good, so it's okay. So we are waiting for the next step. We have ordered some kebabs, and so hope you're gonna be enjoying this content. And if you like, please give a like, a thumb, and comment down below. Share this video with your friends.
Abi bu benim mi? Böbrek karışık yine.
Evet, şimdi şöyle merak ediyorum bunda ne var diye.
Kanka bunun içinde yürek artı böbrek.
Hangisi bir de?
Bak bu böbrek kanka.
Şöyle bir sıcak ama tadına bir
Al
bakayım.
kanka. Bir böbrek alır mısın Ertuğrul?
Ama bak güzel ama
Alsana bir.
şu kokusu.
Al oğlum. Al bir ya. Al bir ya. Bu ne ya diyor almayayım. Al bir. Böbrek yemeyen adam mıdır lo?
Bak. Şimdi ama öte taraftan şöyle çok tatlı bir takip edersiniz aynı zamanda. Evet. Abi bu
Abi
ya.
yüreği çok güzel ya.
Abi şöyle. Bir dakika ben.
Yüreği muazzam.
Abi ben bir ciğerine bakayım.
Ben ciğer sevmiyorum.
Ben ciğerciyim ya.
Yok ya.
Ciğer bir baba. Evet bu yürek. Yani bununla bunun hani farkı ne diye soracak olursanız ya görünüşte aynı ama yerken böyle biraz daha
Ete benzer bir tadı
ete
var.
benzer bir tadı var. Bunun işte biraz daha sert. Direkt dürümüme geçeyim. Olmazsa olmazımız biber arkadaşlar. Şöyle bir peçete versene. Yani şöyle biberimizi temizleyelim. Tamam mı? Yani olabildiğince temizlemeye çalışıyorum. Evet. Şöyle biberimizi koyduk, tamam mı? Acı lan. Yemin ederim yine bu da acı.
Al al.
Ya valla bu kokusundan belli acı. Evet, şimdi soğanımızı aldık.
Ben atmayayım o zaman.
Ha,
Hiç olmaz o acıların çocuğu sen lo.
şöyle limonumuzu da ekleyeceğiz. Derken limon gitti. Bir tane daha. Bu da gitmesin de. Evet, şöyle limonumuzu ekliyoruz arkadaşlar. Evet,
Yüreğe en çok
Arkadaşlar tekrardan hoş geldiniz.
Ben niye bunu
Biz tam doyduk derken doyamıyoruz bir daha üstüne. Bu sefer daha önce videosunu izleyenler varsa bilmiyorum ama şıllık videomuz vardı.
Şıllık.
Bu onun şöyle bir kaşık.
Eyvallah abi.
Abi şıllık kaşıkla mı yenir? Şeyle.
Bunun
Ben
içine
aradan
ceviz
götürüyorum.
hariç.
Thank you for watching us. Hope to see you on the next videos coming up. Please like, subscribe and comment down below. Take care of you. Bye bye.